Dear friends, today I am going to explain how CD PMD referencing take place. So I will show you how to take the reference of CD and PMD. First of all, we have to switch on this platform FTP 500 in which CD and PMD module is available. Okay, switch on this equipment. For this we require two patch codes. Okay, for referencing we require two patch codes, and that is also we have to select the patch codes which type of patch code we require, FC connectorized patch code or SC connectorized patch code. It will depends upon the coupler of the equipment, or we have to change the coupler of the equipment. Okay, and another thing is that we have to select the patch code of the fiber under test, the same type of fiber under test. This is G655. Okay, so G655 fiber, we have to use the G655 patch code. If not, we have to take whatever the type of fiber we are going to test. Okay, so accordingly we have to select the patch code. Again, we have to switch on the CD PMD analyzer source also. Okay, switch on the source, it will boot up. Then if we want to, this is the stylus, if we want to perform CD reference first, okay, then we have to click on the CD module. Okay, then the first portion of this patch code, okay, the first end of the patch code or one end of the patch code, we have to clean the patch code. Okay, then connect with the port. I will show you the port. See, this is the port. Okay, we are going to take the reference, then we have to connect with the reference port. We have to connect with the reference port. Okay, then next take the other patch code, take the other patch code and take one end of this patch code with the source. Clean and connect the patch code. Okay, clean and connect the patch code with the source. Okay, now the next ends of the patch codes, the other end of the patch code. Okay, see, the other end, it is one end is connected with the CD analyzer and the other end of this patch code. Okay, and this is one end of the patch code connected to the source, and the other end of the patch code we have to, okay, keep it here. Okay, we have to keep here. Then we have to connect these two patch codes with a coupler, and clean and connect the connectors with the coupler. Okay, clean and connect. Okay, at the other end of the patch code also clean and connect. Okay, you can see the loop, connect. Okay, then keep it here. Now first we have to switch on the laser. Now the source is off, laser is off. We have to turn on the laser. Now the laser is on, you can see the indicator of the laser. Okay, and now you can see this equipment is sending to the analyzer. The analyzer source is sending laser to the analyzer, CD analyzer. Okay, now we can take the reference. Here the reference is there, take reference. Okay, now two referencing is there. One is wavelength referencing and the other is CD referencing. Take that to CD referencing, check the source model, source serial number and source band also. So here also source band is C plus L band, here also C plus L band, and the source number is same. Okay, 935036, and source model is FLS 58348. Okay, now it is okay, then we can take reference. It will take some minutes. It will take few minutes to take the referencing. Okay, you can see the referencing is under process. Okay, reference in progress. It is written over here. It is reference under progress. Chromatic dispersion reference. Now it will take some time to take the reference. So this is the way to take the referencing, okay, of CD. Now the referencing is under progress. You can see the acquisition. Okay, it will take some time. So this first of all we have to take care that this laser is on. Okay, we should not look into this coupler because this laser is coming from this equipment. This is laser analyzer. So this is CVPMD analyzer source. So laser is coming from this source and going to this equipment. So this equipment will analyze the laser. So we should not touch during referencing. Okay, this coupler or that coupler or the equipment couplers or these couplers we should not touch or disturb. Okay, so and before removing these patch codes we have to switch off this source. You have to switch off this source because the laser will disturb your eyes. Okay, so this can damage your eyes. So we should not see the patch code ends or the coupler ends of the end of this source. So now it is on. Okay, on position, the laser is on. Now the indicator is also here. See, warning is sign is there, and now this progress, it is the referencing is under progress. Now it will take a few seconds. Okay, so now the referencing is over. Okay, the CD referencing is over. Now we have to take the wavelength referencing also. Okay, to perform wavelength reference with a patch code, please connect the source and unit. This is the source unit to the CD analyzer. Okay, receiver port. You make sure that the source corresponds to the band selection. So the band should be same. Okay, C plus L band. This should be C plus L band. Now we are in the wavelength referencing. You take the referencing of the wavelength. So this will also take little bit time because here the wavelength reference it is written over here. So the referencing is under progress. So this will take a few seconds. This will take a few seconds. So this is the method of taking referencing. Okay, so this is now today we saw how we have to take referencing of CD and CD. Okay, now again I will show you the referencing of PMD also. So we have to, now the CD referencing is over. Okay, so it will show here. This date and time will show in the result. Okay, where we took this CD referencing. This referencing will show in the report. So now we are going to, so we should not see the end of this, we should not look in the look into the patch code. Okay, just connect the PMD module. Okay, see, this is PMD module, and we have to connect with this coupler, PMD coupler. Okay, now we can see, we will take the referencing of PMD also. See, now exit this one. Okay, then go to the PMD module. So this PMD module will activate now. Okay, wait for a few seconds. See, the PMD is ready. Okay, power level is okay, and now we have to nullify these things. Okay, nulling. Then what it's telling is, put the protective cap on the detector, then click on OK to continue. So remove this passcode. Remove the passcode. Close the protection cap, then press OK. Now the referencing is over. So first we have to switch off the laser, okay, for safety purpose. Then we have to close the caps, close the cap. Okay, then remove this patch code one by one. Okay, and protective cap should be there. Okay, use protective cap. Then this patch code we have to use with this patch code we have to use with CD. Okay, it is written over here, CD. Then CD analyzer, and we can remove this one also, because this laser is off. Remove this one, close the protective cap. Then we have to close the ferrulent with the cap, protection cap. Okay, then we have to use this patch code with the source. Okay, so the referencing of CD and PMD is over. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my video and press the bell button in order to get new videos. Okay, thank you.